Hello friends, my name is Rudhan. You're watching me on TechMerize YouTube channel. Recently, OnePlus have launched their flagship phones for 2019 and internet is going crazy over those phones. They have launched two phones this time. Usually they launch only one phone. This time they have OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. This OnePlus 7 Pro is full of awesome features and OnePlus 7 is bang for buck. So let's look at the features. OnePlus 7 Pro is having Quad HD 90Hz display, fully curved and bezel-less screen. They are calling it as Fluid AMOLED display. And it is supporting UFC 3.0 storage, which makes it very fast compared to the UFC 2.1 available in all other phones. This is the first phone to come with UFC 3.0. And the processor used is Snapdragon 855 with liquid cooling, which makes it even faster than normal Snapdragon 855 for gaming and all. There is a triple camera setup with 48 megapixel main camera, and there is a wide angle lens and a telephoto lens. The battery used in this phone is 4000 mAh of battery, and it is supported by a 30 watt warp charger. There is dual speakers, fully curved bezel-less screen with a pop-up selfie camera, and the Oxygen OS is best in class. Now that's about OnePlus 7 Pro. So what about OnePlus 7? When we compare that with OnePlus 60, it's almost same price segment and we have lot of new features in OnePlus 7. So let's look at it. The OnePlus 7 have UFC 3.0 storage and Snapdragon 855, which would make the phone super fast compared to that of OnePlus 60. Both the phones have dual camera setup, but in OnePlus 7 we have latest IMX586 48 megapixel sensor. The on-screen fingerprint sensor is same as that of OnePlus 7 Pro, which is better than that of OnePlus 60. The phone have dual speakers, so chance of speakers getting muffled while holding your phone is less compared to that of OnePlus 60. In OnePlus 60 and OnePlus 7, we have same battery, but the processor used is 7nm in OnePlus 7 and in OnePlus 60 it is 10nm. So OnePlus 7 with 3700 mAh of battery will get better battery backup. If you have two options, OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 60, and you ask me which one to buy, there is straight answer OnePlus 7 because it's bang for buck as I've already mentioned, and it have cool new features. When we compare the OnePlus 7 with OnePlus 60, it is clear that the winner is OnePlus 7. But when we compare OnePlus 7 with its older brother OnePlus 7 Pro, we have to look at the price difference. But if you are ready to spend extra 16,000 rupees on a phone, this will not disappoint you because OnePlus 7 Pro is an awesome phone which have awesome features which I've already mentioned in this video. And OnePlus has been consistent with their phones and updates in their software front, so it will not disappoint you in long term also. That's it friends, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye, have a nice day ahead, see you on the next video.